So we start off today's video with this chandelier DIY. 3D wreath. Okay, so they have this from the dollar store. Oh, her nails are so pretty. Oh wow, this is actually a really cool idea. We already saw the end result. Wow. Very pretty. Very easy to replicate as well. Very cool project. And I like the glitz and the glam of it all, of course. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And on this channel, we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So this next one, someone is going to be making some kind of lighting. It's like a beautiful lantern design so far. Oh, wow, these are really cute. She put beads on here. And candles. Very nice. Love this idea. Oh, cute little side tables too. Alright, so moving on to DIY number 3. We got some contact paper here. Some gems. Ooh, wow, look at this decorative table tray. Oh, this is gorgeous. Wow. So pretty. And that's another very easy project to make as well. And then we have a DIY by Miguel. So he painted the shoe box black, has this black hat. So this is like a good little recycling project idea. Oh wow, I think I know what he's making. This is really cool. I love when I see the DIYs of people turning like trash into legit treasure. Like that is just so awesome. Great way to recycle and repurpose items. And this is a nice little decorative basket. Very cute idea. I could see like your remote and things like that going in there. Cute. And then we have a table, so we got a quick little glance at this one. It looks like they're doing the cement table trend. Oh, they put a mirror top on that and 2 layers. Oh, wow. Very nice. And then it looks like we have a mirror DIY for the next one. Kind of like a bohemian style mirror here. Doing the macrame technique for this. So it looks like they did a nice like macrame style braid all the way down. And then wrapped it around the mirror. Huh. Not what I was expecting, but very cute. Oh yeah, this is pretty. I love it. It has like a nice like homemade vibe to it, but it's like good quality homemade, if that makes sense. Like it doesn't look like, it just looks good. So the next DIY features this coffee container. Everyone loves making projects with these. See how they decide to repurpose theirs. Oh, candy jar. Very nice. I love how aesthetic that looks. That is just so pretty. The black with the tan. And then we have a planter design. This one uses an old plastic bottle. I love how this person is showing us the timing of how long it took to actually make this. Because when you're making a project, that's good to know. Like when you're thinking about doing it. Very cute idea, and I like the little tassel accent. That just makes it even more fun. Oh, that looks great. And this again looks homemade, but like in a good way. Oh, cute dog. Alright you guys, so I hope you did enjoy all these DIY project ideas. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.